Hi everyone, Dave here. Welcome back, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my new car cover by Coverking. So let's get to it. So today I'm doing an unboxing of my new cover. It's a custom vehicle cover Satin Stretch two-tone, and I got mine in two different colors, black sides, blue center. And then so I'm going to be unboxing this and then showing you how I'm going to cover my vehicle for the winter. Let's see what we have in the box here. Oh, this is a storage bag. That's really nice. We got a storage bag for the cover. Okay, we'll put that aside. And that's really in there. Okay. Well, they really pack it in here. Okay, cool. So there you go. Coverking. So now we're going to go ahead and install it. One thing to note about this cover is that it's a satin cover, so it's not meant for outdoor use. It's basically meant for indoor use for storage. So that's what I'm going to use it for. Keeps the dust off. It's not meant to resist the weather. Just wanted to make that note, let you know what the purpose of this cover is actually for. What's really unique about this cover is that it has cutout pockets for the mirrors. And it also has a place where the antenna could go. And then it covers the car completely. Over the tires, everything. Another nice feature of this cover is that it's fleece on the inside, so it's very soft. Won't scratch your paint. Very soft material. Very nice, well made. Stitching. High quality stuff. I have the car inside now, and you can see how nicely this custom cover follows the contours and the lines of the car. It is a beautiful cover. Just follows the lines so nicely. So there you have it. If you're looking for a custom-made cover for your Dodge Challenger to keep inside, I highly recommend the Satin Stretch by Coverking. It's a beautiful cover, high quality, and I am thrilled with it. So I hope that this video was helpful for you in your search for a cover for your Challenger, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Please like, subscribe, and stay revved up.